Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. Here we go. Don't look back. You're not going that way. It's a funny way to think of this, but you go forwards. You walk, run, cycle, and you drive forward. You know, where you're looking. You go forwards towards your next destination, whether it's work, leisure, or even your dreams. So the question is, why do so many people spend so much time looking back? Whatever has happened, has happened. It's done. It's finished. Cannot be undone. It just cannot be unchanged. So turn your head and walk towards where you're facing. Your next chapter and adventure of your journey in life is right there, waiting for you to reach.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.